Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share an upgrade I've been planning for my 2013 Lenovo G580. And as you can see here, we've got some goodies sourced entirely from AliExpress. Let's take a closer look at what arrived. So, what we have here are two sticks of Kingston DDR, 3 RAM. Each one is an 8GB module, and they're rated for 1600 MHz. I picked these up from AliExpress, and they look pretty good. These are going to give us a nice boost in capacity. Now, this is all for my trusty Lenovo G580, specifically the 20175 model. It's seen a few upgrades already. I've swapped out the original i3 CPU for a much more capable i7, and the slow old hard drive has been replaced with a snappy SSD. So today, it's time to max out the RAM. Okay, let's get this back panel off. You can see the SSD I installed previously. There's the Wi-Fi module, the fan and CPU heatsink assembly is under here, and right here, these are our 2 RAM slots. The G580 can take a maximum of 8GB in each slot, so 16GB total is our target. So these are the old 2x4GB modules coming out, giving us 8GB total. And we're replacing them with these 2 8GB Kingston modules for a grand total of 16GB. More RAM generally means smoother multitasking and a more responsive system. Alright, the new RAM is in, and the laptop has booted up. Let's fire up CPU Z. First on the CPU tab, you can see that i7-3740QM we talked about. Now let's jump to the memory tab. DDR3, size 16GB, and it's running in dual channel. Checking the SPD tab confirms they're Kingston modules running at 1600 MHz. Now let's quickly open up Task Manager and head over to Performance, Memory. And there it is, 16GB recognized by Windows. Fantastic. Now for the really cool part, I got both of these 8GB modules for an incredible $9.61 USD. I managed this by using AliExpress coins and a $1 coupon. To help you guys get similar discounts, I actually developed a Telegram bot called Express Bot. You'll find the link in the video description. Just send a product link to the bot and it gives you back a new link with the maximum coin discount applied. It's that easy to save. And there's a $1 coupon code in the description too. Post-upgrade, the Lenovo G580 handles basic multimedia tasks really efficiently. It's not going to run modern and AAA games, of course, but it performs surprisingly well with older titles from the early 2010s. Upgrading the RAM, CPU, and storage has truly revitalized my Lenovo G580, making it a very capable machine for everyday tasks. All components were sourced from AliExpress for a great price you won't find anywhere else, demonstrating that with careful selection and installation, significant performance improvements are definitely achievable on a budget. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech insights.